baby, when the ground starts shaking, you gotta know. Oh, you gotta know.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Blissful Mama Life with Kendra. Today I'm going to show you everything that comes in the Young Living PSK. PSK stands for Premium Starter Kit, so it just comes with 11 oil. It comes with this red drink that they have, which is supposed to be really hydrating for you, and it also comes with a surprise oil and a diffuser, and it comes with Thieves Cleaner. The Premium Starter Kit values at like $364 and you get it for $160, so that is an amazing deal. I'm super excited about this new journey. I'm sure I've mentioned that quite a few times, but let's just jump right on it. Why don't you come say hi? Say hi! 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 You're very happy right now, but you weren't a little bit ago when you were screaming at me. Yeah, this is probably going to be a lengthy video. But anyways, I'm going to get into the PSK now. I haven't even opened this. I've had it sitting in my room for like 4 days now because I've been waiting for time to actually film, and now I actually have time to film it. So I will definitely be using this tonight because Kenley is not sleeping and it's making me go crazy. Alright, so this is the diffuser. This is the beautiful diffuser. I believe this one is the Desert Mist diffuser. They also have a couple other ones. But I just really like this. I think it's really pretty. And when you turn it on, you can change the light on here. It's like orange, green, whatever you want to make yourself feel calm when you are diffusing. I believe this is my free oil. So when you have an ER order, which is Essential Rewards, I signed up for the Essential Rewards subscription. So you place one every single month, and whenever you get like a certain amount of PBs, which is point value, then you get free oils or a free item or whatever. So the free oil of last month is lemongrass. So I'm actually gonna smell that right now. It definitely smells lemongrassy, let me tell you. It smells kind of like a cleaner. I don't know how I feel about it. Apparently, the oil scents that you don't like to smell are the ones that you need, and the ones that you enjoy are the ones you need emotionally. So apparently I need this. So we will find out. So that was my free oil. This is all of the oils that actually comes with the kits. This is such a pretty box. I love it. So beautiful. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, all the fun, lovely oils. Okay, so it comes with lemon vitality. Then there is Copaiba. Copaiba is really good for your teething children. So I'm excited about this because, like I said, Kevin has been teething like crazy, and I can't get it right. Then it also comes with Digize. So Digize helps your digestive system. Obviously, Digize in the name. So you can use this after you have like a large meal, or if you're just feeling nauseous. The next oil we have is Thieves. Thieves is good for like everything. So this is really good for your immune system. You can use this for everything. You want to diffuse Thieves almost every single day, especially during cold and flu season. And then I've also heard that if you rub this on the bottom of your feet every single day, it helps you stay healthy. The next oil we have is Peppermint. This is also good for your digestive system. You can rub it on your head as well for head tension. I plan to make a blend of peppermint and Panaway for headaches because my mom has had headache every single day for like the past month, and I've been starting to get really bad headaches the past couple weeks, so I'm hoping that will help. So then the next one we have is Panaway, and this actually has a secure cap on it because the ones without the white labeling on it, they cannot like be ingested anywhere into your mouth. But the ones with the white labels, it's fine if you ingest it. Alright, so Panaway is very good for rubbing on like your sore muscles and also your head if you have a headache. You can also rub it on your feet at the end of the day when you've had a hard day at work, so I'm really excited to use this. We also have the Raven oil. This one also cannot be ingested because it has a secure cap on it for children. Yes. The other day when I was like really sick last week, I asked in our private Freebirds Facebook group, what oil can I use to help clear me up? And everyone said Raven, you rub it on your chest and it's like a vapor rub kind of. But this is way more natural for you and a lot better for you to use. So I'm still kind of stuffy, especially in the middle of the night when I wake up. I will be rubbing that on my chest before bed so that when I wake up, I can breathe and feel free. Next, we have Citrus Fresh. Citrus Fresh creates like that clean house smell instead of using candles, which candles are actually very bad for you. I will probably do another video talking more about that. You can add these to wool dryer balls and replace dryer sheets because dryer sheets also have bad things and then that you don't want to put on your clothes, which touches your body, which is bad for you. This is also good for helping you stay energized when you're working. Obviously, you can tell I'm new at this because I'm using this booklet to help me understand some of the oils. And it tells you how you can use them as well for specific things. So it's been very helpful. The next oil we have is frankincense. So this is very good for rubbing on your skin. It helps brighten it. You can also rub it in your hands and it relieves like all of your nervous tension that you have going on. So I'm excited to use that. I'm excited to use that on my skin, brighten it. Then we have lavender. So this is 100% pure lavender. This is way better than any of the other crap that you buy in the stores because this is real. What you buy in the stores is not real. It is manufactured lavender in a factory. It is not good for you. That people say that they're allergic to specific oils because they're allergic to that specific thing that is in store-bought items. What you're really allergic to is the fake lavender or fake whatever oil that you think you're allergic to. You're allergic to that. It's not the real thing. It's not pure. But anyways, I'm excited to diffuse that at night to help Kinley sleep because Mama is tired. Very, very tired. Then there's also some goodies underneath of the oils. Probably could have done that easier, but I just chose not to. Alright, so we got our Thieves household cleaner. So I'm pretty sure you can just split this in half and put it in the 2 bottles and fill it up with water. And there you go, you got cleaner. That lasts you a while. Also came with like these teeny tiny little rollers that I think are super, super cute. And here is the best oil that I've ever heard of. It is Stress Away. I will be diffusing this all the time because like I said, I am stressed all the time. And it came with 2 samples of our Ningxia red drink. This is really good energizing drink and it's very hydrating, so I'm excited to try this out. There is traces of like cherry in it, and Kinley is allergic to cherry. Like it breaks out her butt really bad because I breastfeed. So whenever I eat, drink, she gets. So hopefully this won't affect her, but if it does, I won't be able to drink it until I stop breastfeeding. But we will find out. So the PSK also comes with these 2 booklets. This one is a product guide. It tells you literally everything about every single item that we have. tells you how to use it, tells you how much PV points it has, everything. So this is very informational. I will definitely be reading this. Then it also comes with this that shows you like how to use it, how to use some of the oils in meals. It just gives you a bunch of information about why oils are good for you. So I will also be reading that one as well. So yeah, that is everything that's on the PSK. If you would like to know more about them, just comment below or message me on Instagram. My Instagram is Blissful Mama Life. If you would like to be a part of our Young Living's Freebirds tribe, I will put the sign up link below and you can just sign up from there. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day.